What's up there, Android App Stars family? Welcome back to my channel. Now, you know I hear the Android App Stars look for the latest and hottest apps on. Well, today's video is brought to you by our friends over at Mobile App Daily, the ultimate mobile app listing website. All right, so here we are at mobileappdaily.com. This website is a game changer. Seriously. You know how you're always wondering about which app to download next, or which one is the real deal, or which one is just hype? Mobile App Daily has you covered. First of all, they have this killer app listing section. It's like a treasure trove of apps. Whether you're into productivity apps, games, shopping, or lifestyle apps, they have it all neatly organized. It's like a one-stop shop for finding the coolest apps that suit your vibe. It's the perfect place to discover all the latest and greatest apps without the guesswork. What's a good app without a solid review, right? That's where Mobile App Daily shines. They deep dive into the apps, giving you the lowdown on the features, user interface, or whether it's even worth downloading. It's like having your own app expert guide you through the digital jungle. Mobile App Daily also has an Instagram and YouTube channel where they publish quick tech hacks. I mean, who wouldn't want a heads up before downloading an app? Saves you time, saves you space, and guarantees that you're only gonna get the best. Also, Mobile App Daily is ahead with the latest tech updates and crazy weird technology from around the world through their news section. So Android App Stars fam, if you're obsessed with apps as I am, you gotta check out mobileappdaily.com. The link will be in the description below. You will not be disappointed.